we're starting lesson 12.2, calculating the surface area of prisms and cylinders. We will have two formulas that we will focus on throughout this lesson, well, four actually, but for prisms, which is where I'm going to start, we're going to talk about the lateral surface area and the total surface area. So, these are our two formulas that I'm going to start with, and then we'll add two more for cylinders a little bit later on in the lesson. Let's begin. The first thing I want to clarify with you is help you understand what the lateral area of a prism is. And here in this particular picture, you'll see the part that is shaded blue. That is your lateral area. It's like the sides. Now, this particular picture is called a triangular prism. And so when we calculate the base, or the perimeter, and I want you to notice this right here, P is the perimeter of the base. So in this particular picture, we actually have a triangle that is the base, and that's what they've highlighted in red. So I have to calculate its perimeter, and then I focus on the height of the prism. So let's look at an example. Okay, here is a prism, and I went ahead and left all the answer choices on there. Okay, you can see the correct answer is 216, but let's talk about how they get that. And one of the things I want to point out to you is that we have an octagonal prism. That means the octagon is the base. So an octagon has 8 sides. So the perimeter of the base would be 8 sides times the 3 centimeters on each side. So the perimeter is 24. And then I would look at the height of the prism. And in this case, the height of the prism is 9. That's right here. And what that is you need to consider that that is the distance between the two hexagons. Because I have a hexagon base here, and then there's a hexagon at the other end. The space, the distance between those bases is your height. And so then, at that point, we said, well, the lateral surface area is the perimeter times the height. So we took 24 times 9 to achieve an answer. Okay, so hopefully that makes sense.